The Panchsheel agreement is between India and, the correct answer is A, that is China. So Indonesia became independent in 1949 and China has emphasized the Panchsheel agreement at the start of the negotiations between India that took place in Delhi from December 1953 to April 1954 between the delegations from the two countries. During which of the following national movement did Gandhi give the slogan "Do or Die"? The correct answer is A, that is Quit India. So the movement began from Mumbai's Gwalior Tank Maidan, also called the Agast Kranti Maidan, on 8th August 1942. August Kranti Maidan, Mahatma Gandhi delivered his famous "Do or Die" speech, which marked the beginning of Quit India movement. Who was considered as the political guru of Gandhi? The correct answer is B, that is Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Gokhale first arrived on the national scene after cross-examining British colonial expenditure at the Welby Commission of 1897 in England. When did Gandhi return from Africa to India? The correct answer is C, that is 1915. So he came on 9th Jan 1915 at the Apollo Bandar in Bombay. 3 days later, he was honored by the people of Bombay at a magnificent reception in the palatial house of a Bombay magnate, Jahangir Patet. Which of the following is the oldest dynasty in India? The correct answer is A, that is Haryanka dynasty. So the Haryanka dynasty was the third ruling dynasty of Magadha, an empire of ancient India, which succeeded the Pradodya dynasty and Barhadrata dynasty. Milinda Panaha is the correct answer is B, that is Buddhist conversation between Nagasena and the Greek ambassador Menander. So Milinda Panaha is a Buddhist text which dates from sometime between 100 BC and 200 AD. Who among the following is considered to be heroine of 1942 Quick India movement? The correct answer is C, that is Aruna Ashraf Ali. So Aruna was dubbed the heroine of the 1942 movement for her bravery in the face of danger and was called Grand Old Lady of the Independence movement in her later years. When was the capital of India shifted from Bengal to Delhi? The correct answer is C, that is 1911. So the capital was shifted from Calcutta as Delhi was the financial and political seat of many earlier empires and was located closer to the geographical center of India. Who among the following is referred to as the Napoleon of India? The correct answer is C, that is Samudragupta. So Samudragupta of the Gupta dynasty is also known as the Napoleon of India. Historian A.V. Smith called him so because of his great military conquest known from the Prayag Prashti. All the teachings of Buddha were originally in which of the following languages? The correct answer is C, that is Pali. Who among the following was the great ruler of the Maurya dynasty? The correct answer is C, that is Ashoka. The greatest ruler known to Indian history is Ashoka the Great. His empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya, who was a grandfather of Ashoka more than 2300 years ago. And Ashoka was greatly supported and led by the famous man Chanakya, also known as Kautilya. Who was the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty? The correct answer is option C, that is Danti Durga. So Danti Durga made the final assault on the Chalukya king in 753 CE. and established the Rashtrakuta Empire. Who among the following had patronized the first Buddhist council? The correct answer is C, that is Ajatashatru. So, the first Buddhist council was held in the reign of the ruler Ajatashatru during the time period of 483 BCE with the president Mahakashyapa. Who among the following is also known as Lakbaksh? The correct answer is B, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. So, Lakbaksh is usually referred to those who give away property and wealth to the needy and poor. Lakbaksh is usually referred to those who give away property and wealth to the needy and poor. Which emperor wrote the play Priyadarshika in Sanskrit language? The correct answer is B, that is Harshvardhana. So, Emperor Harshvardhana wrote 3 plays in the Sanskrit language, that is, first one is Nagananda, second one is Priyadarshika, and third one is Ratnavali. So, all these 3 are written in Sanskrit language. The founder of Ashaf Jah dynasty, Mir Umaruddin Khan, belongs to which region? The correct answer is C, that is Hyderabad. So, he is belong to Hyderabad. Who is the founder of Ved Samaj, a social reform movement? The correct answer is C, that is Keshav Chandra Sen. So, Ved Samaj was established by Keshav Chandra Sen and K. Sirdharalu Naidu when the former visited Madras in 1864. Which monarch styled himself as the second Alexander? That is Sikandar Seni. The correct answer is D, that is Alauddin Khilji. So, Alauddin Khilji styled himself as the second Alexander. Jalaluddin was the first ruler of the Delhi Sultanate to put forward the view that kingship should be based on the willing support of the government. Who among the following the Sultan of Sultanate of Delhi has transferred his capital from Delhi to Agra? The correct answer is A, that is Sikandar Lodhi. So, Sultan Sikandar Lodhi was moved his capital from Delhi to Agra in the year 1506. The first Mughal emperor to crown Agra as the capital of Mughal Empire was Akbar in the year of 1526. Which of the following emperors have introduced the Mansabdari system, a reformative administrative system in India? The correct answer is C, that is Akbar. So, Mansabdari was the administrative system implemented by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1571. Akbar institutionalized and reformed it on the basis of military and civil administration. The officers who joined the Mughal administration were known as Mansabdars. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.